2016, I would think like if you don't have your books in order, maybe extend, right? Just to make sure that you are, especially if you're dealing with 280E, that you've got all your allocations in place, right? That's probably the biggest thing. And then find somebody who understands 280E. I think I'm the only CPA that doesn't do taxes, so do not contact me for that. I help with strategy and operations. So figure out somebody who kind of is a specialist in 280E and make sure that your books are in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles, which is why you can take those deductions. So those are 3, and then I'm just going to tell you 5 for 2017, right? So for 2017, do an inventory count at 12/31/2017. You have to. Like, you are not going to be in compliance, right? So, I mean, do an inventory count, do a cash count, because those are going to be, you know, basically your support for the numbers of how you derive to cost of goods sold, right? So if you didn't do it in 2016, okay, you can probably back into that, but make sure that you do it for 2017. And then make sure that, you know, you've listened to this and you started doing the budgeting, the forecasting, so then you can do your tax return pretty easily in 2017. Close out all of your accounts and make sure that you're analyzing them. And honestly, I think 3 is probably good. And then find a good tax professional that gets 280E, and then file on time. Oh, and then realize that, and hopefully this tax professional will realize this, but excise taxes, how you mentioned, like in Humboldt, they're facing all these excise taxes. Well, the IRS wrote a memo that you can utilize that to deduct from your gross receipts. So then you pay taxes after your excise tax, which is better. But that could save a lot of people money if they didn't know that.
Exactly. A lot of people,
right?
I guarantee you there's folks that don't know that.
It's really sad and scary, and I think that's why we did the podcast. I'm glad I'm on the show. It's like we just have to spread like knowledge of information that I'm not gonna like hide in my vault. I want to share it with everybody.